Have you ever deleted your precious photos or important files by mistake? This is where RecoveryFox comes in. It is an advanced AI-powered recovery tool that intelligently identifies every missing data fragment and rebuilds them into complete files with impressive accuracy. Whether you lost photos, documents, videos, or entire folders, RecoveryFox helps you recover smarter, faster, and more reliably. Visit wonderfoxrecovery.com on your browser. Once the page loads, scroll down and click the download button. The software is only 24 megabytes, so downloading it shouldn't take long. Install the software after downloading, then open it. This is the main interface, clean and very easy to navigate. You can see my default drive C displayed, and on the panel, you also have the recycle bin, which means the tool can even recover files deleted from there. Click on the profile icon at the top to access the activation window. Paste your activation key and click Register Now, or click the Buy button if you need a key. Once activated, you should see a success message. Next, click on Settings at the top right. Here, you will see Skip Empty Space, which ignores unused space during the scan, Skip Temporary Files, which prevents unnecessary temp files from showing up, Skip Content File and Archive, which skips scanning inside large compressed files. I will uncheck this because I need it, and Skip Embedded Subfiles, which ignores files hidden inside other files. Click OK when done. Now let me insert a drive for demonstration. As you can see, the drive has appeared. Let's open it to check what's inside. We have some images and audio files. I will permanently delete everything on the drive so we can test RecoveryFox. All files are now gone. Let's return to the software. To recover the items deleted, click on the drive where the files were removed. The scan begins. The quick scan finishes very fast because it detects recently deleted files on the surface level. After that, the AI continues with a deep scan, which dives deeper into the drive to recover older lost files. Just give it a moment to complete. Now the scan is done. Here is the total number of files recovered. Click on File Type to see the breakdown, such as documents, photos, audio, videos, and more. To view the recently deleted files, click on File Path, then select Quick Scan. You can now see all the files I deleted earlier in this demonstration. Click on AI Scan to see files that were lost long ago but have been recovered by RecoveryFox using its deep recovery engine. Now let's return to Quick Scan to restore the files we need. You can select specific files or choose to recover everything. Click Recover. From the pop-up, choose where to save the restored files. I'll first choose the same drive, but you will get a warning explaining why that is not advisable during scanning. So, let's click OK, then select a new location. I'll create a folder on the desktop, name it Recover, and click OK. And there we go, recovery completed. Let's open the folder to confirm. As you can see, all the deleted files have been fully and successfully restored. This shows how powerful and reliable RecoveryFox is when it comes to AI-powered file recovery. If you want to try RecoveryFox yourself, the download link is in the description. Use my promo code TechTutor15 to enjoy a special 15% discount. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to support the channel and help more people discover tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.